Okay, so I have this Brother Labelmaker, and what I'm trying to do is use the DC power. It's a 9 volt
Oh my gosh.
input.
Goofy
And
is in DuckTales.
Mhm.
No, like Goofy is in DuckTales.
Really?
And his
Wow.
new design is not as good as his.
Okay.
Like,
Anyway, so what I'm trying to do is use this universal AC adapter. Instead of buying several adapters, each with a certain voltage, I found this one that I had. I think I'd purchased it from Best Buy or something, and it was on clearance or something. It was an open box clearance long ago, many years ago. And what this does is, I never actually got to use it, but basically it's this universal power adapter. It converts AC to DC, and what it does is, yeah, this is Best Buy. I think I got it for like $9. Anyway, so what this does is, it's 110 volt AC input, and the output is selectable, so you can choose 3 volts, 4.5 volts, 6 volts, 7.5 volts, 9 volts, and 12 volts. And it can support up to 1200 milliamperes max. And it says input 110 volts, but it, down below there it also says working voltage 110 to 240 volt. So I'm not sure if this is one of those auto switching power supplies or transformers, but anyway, this is basically what it looks like. HOSA technology, universal AC, DC adapter, and I've selected the 9 volt because that's what I'm trying to use on this Brother Labelmaker. I noticed in the input down there it says DC in 9 volts, and obviously the current doesn't matter. It'll draw as much current as it needs. Now the cool thing about this is it actually comes with these different tips, so it can suit any kind of input. Like this input has a larger hole, outer diameter, and is the inner diameter. So I found this one that actually works perfectly. It's the largest of this full set of adapters, and I try to plug it in here. It's very snug, so this is perfect. The only thing to keep in mind though is that there's a polarity. DC has a polarity, so the instructions say you should check the polarity. Basically these tips can go in either way, one of two ways. And basically if I open up this tip, you'll see it's got a certain polarity to it. So basically you can plug in this any kind of tip, but you have to plug it in for a certain polarity because DC has a polarity. And the good thing is that